Prayer, America's golden scepter. In times of uncertainty and turmoil, prayer stands as America's golden scepter, a divine authority that connects us to a higher power. Just as a scepter symbolizes sovereignty and rule, prayer signifies our nation's reliance on God's guidance and protection. It's more than a ritual. It's a powerful act of faith that unites us, transcending our differences and reminding us of our shared values. Throughout history, America has turned to prayer in moments of crisis, seeking wisdom, courage, and peace. Whether in the quiet of our homes or the public square, prayer remains a steadfast pillar of strength. It's our way of acknowledging that while human wisdom has its limits, divine wisdom is boundless. In a world where chaos often reigns, prayer is the golden scepter that restores order, bringing hope and clarity. As we lift our voices in prayer, we not only draw closer to God but also to one another, strengthening the fabric of our nation. Let us wield this scepter with reverence, knowing that in prayer we find our true power and purpose.